The world is not talking about Chang'an, the company that owns the EV brand Deepal. And, Mazda's new EVs are Deepals, rebadged Deepals. No one's really talking about Chang'an, but they freaking hell should be. They absolutely should be, because Chang'an, holy smokes, they've just been involved in two of the greatest battery game changers. The single greatest game changer in history. And I haven't mentioned them, and I should have. Chang'an, I'd like to go on the video and formally apologize to you. I haven't criticized you, but apologize to you for not mentioning you and your involvement in not only the battery in this video, but the battery that's going to change the planet. And I mean this, I've never said this in this way, but it's absolutely true. This is the most game-changing battery, and it's not solid state, although this video is primarily about your solid state battery, but it's about two different batteries: your solid state battery and sodium ion battery. Guys, I have to share this report with you, and I don't even know if this is accurate, but if it is, then, well, Chang'an and Deepal, they're about to smack everyone in the face. I mean, just imagine an enormous, slimy, wet fish. It's slapping you right in the face. Just imagine like the Ford, General Motors, the CEOs, and all the other car brands who want us to line up all their CEOs, and they're just getting smacked in the face by an enormous fish. That's basically what they're about to do, because, I know that sounds ridiculous, but that's kind of a figurative representation of what Chang'an is about to do to the industry. Because if they really are about to do what they're saying, then they're going to beat everyone. And they could. They really could do this. Chang'an revealed it will start installation of solid-state batteries on vehicles before Q3 2026. Their battery pack, solid-state battery, 400 watt-hours per kilogram energy density. And as you can imagine, that will provide their vehicles with easily 1,000 kilometers of range with a standard size battery. 75 kilowatt hour battery would give them 1,000 kilometers of range. But of course, they're going to have fast charging as well. Very fast charging. Now, the battery pack is called the Golden Bell. Terrible naming, Golden Bell, but anyway. Chang'an, please rename your battery. Doesn't matter, does it? Anyway. The Chang'an Golden Bell, or Jinghongzhou solid-state battery will be installed in robots and electric cars by the third quarter of 2026. Car News China says its mass production and installations will begin next year. Mass production. Now, I'm a lot less cynical of Chang'an saying that they're going to be doing this than I am of Donut Labs, because Chang'an are not claiming ridiculous stuff like 100,000 cycle. 100,000, guys. How would Donut Labs even know if their battery can do 100,000 cycles? You'd need to have the thing for 10 years to test it. Anyway, the Golden Bell battery has an energy density, like I said, of 400 watt-hours per kilogram, and it's meant to be very safe because it's an actual solid-state battery. Golden Bell is an independent battery brand under Chang'an. It was revealed in November 2023 with 8 battery cell variants, including a liquid, semi-solid, and solid-state battery. I don't know you can have a liquid solid-state battery, but anyway, that was what Car News China said. Production capacity is planned at 150 gigawatt hours per year. I don't know when that year is. I'm going to guess maybe 2028 for 150, because that's a lot, right? This year, Chang'an and CATL, they joined forces, and apparently the Naxtra battery is actually a joint project between Chang'an and CATL, and the Naxtra battery is the most game-changing battery in the history of mankind. That is a fact. Now, I realize the future hasn't happened yet. We need the future to happen before I can really be proved correct on that claim. But let's be honest, guys. If the Naxtra battery does what it says, if it does what CATL say, there's nothing. There's no solid-state battery that's ever going to be as important for the planet as a sodium-ion battery that lasts 3 times longer than lithium iron phosphate, costs less than half the price, operates in temperatures at minus 40 degrees, and has really no issues at operating at those temperatures, and it's mass-produced by CATL. That's just going to change the planet. Interestingly, that battery is going into the Chang'an Nevo Q05 and the Chang'an Nevo A06. They're the first 2 models in the world to get that battery. So it does sound like there was some sort of joint venture here with CATL and Chang'an have this is holy smokes. I mean, good on them. These guys are killing it. First of all, Mazda says, can we please use your car and we'll badge it and call it a Mazda, please? And Chang'an was like, yeah, right, no worries. I know you need some help, Mazda, so we'll help you out. And then they've gone and said, you know what, we've got a solid state battery. We're going to have it in cars, mass produced massive numbers by 2027, putting it in cars this year in small numbers. And they happen to have had a hand in making these new game-changing sodium-ion batteries. I mean, damn, these guys are doing some crazy stuff. Well done to them. Congratulations. Guys, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.